We have a solar deck light that lights up in blue. Check online for further details about the 6-pack. This is a solar array with the mode on and off switch with a non-replaceable AA battery. If you cover the unit up, you see the 22 blue LEDs light up. You're given self-adhesive stickers that you will place on the ground that will hold the pucks into place. You have an instruction guide to go about the unit and all. These are IP rated, and if you need to glue down on a rough surface, you take some glue and you place on to put down. Turn the unit on, 6 hours of sun. We could place 1 or 2 by the edges of the steps, and this way you get to see what it looks like lit up over here. I peel the backing off. I turn the unit on. I place over. I peel this backing off, and I place over here and allow the sun to dry. So we take the backing off by simply peeling. Remove the backing. You can stick to the side anywhere, clean surface. Place down. It won't move. We're looking at the puck lights lit up at night, solar powered dusk to dawn, and we're going to show you on another step and on the deck. Buy a slip, buy a gazebo, patio deck, front yard, driveway. As you see the lights lit up, it accents the edges of the deck. I hope this is something that you are looking for to decorate your area.